Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 362, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Jefferson County, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 362 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. until midnight Wednesday for the following county: Jefferson County, Pennsylvania.